just made a commit, then immediately spotted a typo in the message. Here's exactly how to fix it. Run git commit -- amend. This opens your default editor with the last commit message loaded and ready to edit. Change the text, save, and close. Done. If you want to skip the editor entirely, add the -m flag with your new message in quotes to set it inline, right from the terminal. Here's what's really happening under the hood. Amend doesn't edit your old commit. It replaces it entirely with a brand new one. Same code changes, but a completely different commit hash. This is called rewriting history. That original commit is gone, and the new one takes its place with a fresh shay identifier. This is the critical rule. Never amend a commit you've already pushed to a shared branch. Other developers have based their work on that original commit hash, and replacing it will cause conflicts for the whole team. One more thing. Amend isn't just for messages. Stage new files first, and amend will fold them into the last commit too. Git commit amend rewrites your last commit. Powerful, but only safe before you push. Try it on your next typo. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.